Hey guys, it's me Chen. So, nana po tayo bagong kaunon. So, let's taste test the mulberries from Bravo Farms. Thank you to Ma'am Andrew Bravo for this and for the papaya. So, shout out also to Shahani, classmate Shahani Bravo, for allowing us to visit her um, house. Then, naka-try me og mulberry jam. So, let's taste. Tanan! First, mm, ano siya? Ano siya gamay nga butoy-butoy? So, according to Google, mulberry's taste is intensely sweet, then much like a softer, seedless blackberry with earthy, woody, woodsy, or fig-like undertones. So, kana siya ang taste. Mulberries daw has nutritional powerhouses, particularly rich in vitamin C, supporting immune health and collagen production. And vitamin K power is essential for bone health and blood clotting. So they also contain beneficial amounts of vitamin E and vitamin A. So tinuod yun dahil basta berries has more nutritional values. So ito grab if natin mga fruits. So kaon jud ta po tayo. So health is wealth good. So thank you to Ma'am Andrew Bravo and for allowing me na maka-avail ani. So for 100 pesos lang siya. So for the last time, kaon ta. Mm. So thank you to Ma'am Andrew. Thanks for watching everyone. So see you next time.